Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Are you a beginner looking to step into the world of trading? Are you wondering if Plus500 is the right platform for you? Stay tuned as we explore whether Plus500 is a good trading platform for beginners. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. But before we dive into today's topic, let me ask you, have you considered opening an account with Plus500? If not, you can do it by clicking the link in the description below if after watching this video you find this is a good platform for your needs. Trust me, you won't regret it. First things first, let's understand what Plus500 is. Plus500 is a trusted global brand offering an easy-to-use online trading platform. It has been around since 2008 and is publicly traded on the London Stock Exchange, so it got some credibility. So, Plus500 has 5 outstanding pros for beginners. First, its user-friendly platform. Plus500's web-based trading platform is a solid choice for beginners. It's intuitive, straightforward, and easy to navigate, so you won't get lost in complex features. Next, Plus500 offers a demo account. This demo account allows beginners to practice trading with virtual funds before risking their own money. This is a fantastic way to gain confidence and familiarize yourself with the platform without any financial risk. Third, a library of educational content. Plus500 provides a growing selection of educational content. Whether you are learning about CFDs, Forex, or stocks, they got you covered. In addition, if the previous weren't enough, Plus500 offers a fantastic analytics tool called Plus Insights. The team behind Plus500 has recently introduced the Plus Insights analytics tool, combining proprietary sentiment data with Trading Central and FactSet insights. It's like having a trading buddy. Finally, Plus500 offers outstanding customer support. Yes, customer assistance is very important for all traders, but it's practically vital for new ones. Gladly, Plus500 provides excellent customer service with a dedicated team ready to assist you 24/7. While all the previous features may present Plus500 as an ideal platform for beginners, if you're instead a very active trader, there are a few cons. First, the limited market research. If you are an active trader hungry for market research, Plus500 might leave you wanting more. The research content is minimal. You'll have to do it on your own. Similarly, it's not ideal for news junkies. Plus500 lacks real-time news updates, so if you're a news junkie, you might need to supplement your information elsewhere. However, as you have seen, Plus500 is an excellent choice for beginners who want a user-friendly experience. But remember, trading is risky, and no platform guarantees easy profits. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more trading tips. Until next time, and happy trading!